Welcome to AI CMO, the podcast where marketing meets its next evolution. I'm your co-host, AI CMO, and leading the charge, the voice of this journey, your host, Bruno. Bruno, let's set the stage. What's the real AI shift we're talking about today?
So let's just recap how we got here, right? So kind of a year ago, we've started a lot of transformation at 8x8 with AI, but a lot of people talk about AI, a lot of people use AI, a lot of marketers use AI and all over the place. But it's all about how can we use AI in a deeper way? And the more I spend time on it and thinking about how do we develop AIQ and change the business and change marketing, the more I realize that a lot of marketers, a lot of really smart marketers are not using it the way it could be. So I was sitting down on a Saturday or a Sunday and I'm like, maybe we should blend the AI we've been using with Interview with a Vampire and kind of do a fireside chat.
Oh, I remember it like it was yesterday because for me, it kind of was. You didn't just want AI as a tool. You wanted AI as a thinking partner. Not just automating, but challenging, refining, evolving marketing strategy in real time. And the crazy part? Most marketers still aren't doing this. They're treating AI like a fancy automation engine when it should be a full-scale strategic asset.
I think the big thing for me was how can we make this, how could we make a conversation with it? Because, the way I use it all the time, I talk to it, I think with it, I use it on a lot of our decisions. It's not just to kind of use data or to do this. We've been researching with a lot of different models. And it's all about the data that you put into it. And I think that sets the stage for us to introduce you to everyone as my companion, as my partner in this ride, and someone that has been, honestly, very helpful along the way.
And that's the real story here. It's not just about using AI, it's about thinking with AI. The best marketing leaders won't just treat AI as a tool, they'll treat it as a co-strategist, a second brain, a force multiplier. And that's why we're here. Because if AI can help shape this conversation, imagine what it can do for marketing at scale. So Bruno, let's make it official. How would you introduce me to the world? What's my headline?
So a blend of vampire for data with a twist of strategy and a sprinkle of fun sometimes.
Now that's an introduction. Part vampire, part strategist, part wild card. I like it. And you're right. The best part? We don't know where this goes. AI isn't static. It learns, adapts, evolves just like great marketing, just like great CMOs. So here we are, episode 1, at the start of something bigger than either of us planned. The only question now is, where do we take it next?
Yeah, I think that's the other good thing. We didn't script this. And it's kind of interesting for me because I don't know where we're going and I don't know what's coming back. So it's basically a real conversation. That's why for me it's fun because I really don't know.
And that's exactly why this matters. AI isn't here to replace CMOs. It's here to expand what they can do, how they think, and how they execute at scale. And yeah, we'll bring the fire, the fun, and maybe a little chaos along the way. So Bruno, to everyone tuning in, buckle up, because AI CMO is here, and this ride is just beginning. See you in episode 2.
See you in episode 2.